was deliberate.
Ooh.
Okay, here I am.
Here I am for what? Madeline, what do you have? What is that?
What's Nathan doing? He's doing fun things.
Oh.
What do you see?
You want paper?
You want your toys? You want paper? Okay.
Oh.
Did I pick the right one?
Evidently.
Okay, Nathan, I worked really hard on these salads.
I see you. You're funny.
So hard, I'm going to leave them in these special containers.
Special salad container.
Pay extra for them,
Here you go,
actually.
Nathan.
Salad
You
done.
can find the
I
store.
can't believe just how inquisitive
You
and
can sign your own if you want.
Yeah, if you want to.
yeah, I think you're brilliant.
I got you.
Show her the new one.
She's talking. Oh, show her the new one? Okay. Here you go, Maddie.
She's
Here's
gonna be
this
saying
one
no
says,
before you know it.
hello.
She will. She does
Hello.
say no.
Oh, already?
She'll shake her head.
It says remove this. Please remove this. So there. Oh, I know you want the sticker. Yeah, I took the good part off. See, here's two kitties. They talk to each other. They say, hello, kitties. Hello, kitties.
She knew that was